Audio Jungle.
The 2025 Honda CR-V FCEV is ready for delivery. Plant associates and media gather for this week's production launch of 2025 Honda CR-V in Marysville, Ohio. The production is likely to see fewer than 500 units in its first year. There's no automated assembly line for 2025 Honda CR-V. Robotic welders assemble body of Honda CR-V. Every Honda CR-V body is closely scanned and inspected for build quality. Honda CR-V will only be available in California, which has about 70 hydrogen refueling stations. The CR-V comes in two colors, white and grayish blue. Some 100 employees assemble the 2025 Honda CR-V at Honda's Performance Manufacturing Center. The CR-V signals Honda's steadfast commitment to hydrogen-fueled mobility. Hydrogen fuel tanks for the CR-V. The CR-V emits only water. Battery pack in CR-V allows for 29 miles of all-electric range. Hydrogen fuel cells arrive from plant in Brownstown Township, Michigan, a joint venture plant owned by Honda and General Motors. Honda is also a clean power source capable of running small home appliances and the new Honda Moto Compacto e-scooter.